For truffles, I have this grated coconut about 1 cup, which is grinded, and adding it in a saucepan over medium to low flame. You have to roast this for about 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, add in a cup full of sugar and half a cup of milk. Mix this mixture well so the coconut, sugar, and milk gets incorporated completely. So on the other hand, I'm setting up a double boiler in which I am adding in Candyland's Novella. I actually love its flavor, that's why I'm using it, but you can also use compound chocolate for about 100 grams. You also have to take a look for your coconut or else it will burn. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of milk into the chocolate. Don't forget your coconut mixture, you need to mix it too. Mix it well until the sugar gets dissolved. On that hand, my chocolate ganache is ready, while on this hand, the sugar is getting dissolved. Turned off the flame under ganache while the coconut mixture has a whole shape and ready for the next step. Coconut mixture is a bit warm and I am making spherical shapes from it. It will make around 12 to 15 coconut spherical shapes. Now, dip your coconut spheres into the chocolate ganache you have made. Before setting it on a plate, you need to grease the plate first so your spheres don't get stuck on the plate. And after covering your spheres with chocolate, get your plate to the freezer and set your truffles in the freezer for about 30 minutes. If you think the ganache you've made is getting firmer, you can add a tablespoon of milk to it and make it smoother again. Now, enjoy. Full stop.